The Rivian R2 is the adventure brand's more affordable, compact SUV. Think of it as a smaller sibling to the R1S, but designed to be even more city-friendly and accessible for everyday drivers. It's Rivian's answer to those who want electric adventure, but in a package that fits tight parking spots and busy urban streets. The R2 keeps the signature Rivian look, with its bold front light bar and rugged stance, but it's packed with clever features. Inside you'll find fold-flat seats that make camping or hauling gear a breeze, and pop-out rear windows for extra ventilation, perfect for road trips or spontaneous adventures. The interior is thoughtfully designed, with smart storage solutions and high-quality materials throughout. Designed for both urban life and weekend getaways, the R2 is practical enough for daily commutes, yet rugged enough for off-the-grid escapes. Whether you're navigating city traffic or heading out to the mountains, it adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. With a starting price around $45,000, the R2 is positioned to be one of the most accessible electric SUVs in its class. It targets over 300 miles of range, even in the tri-motor version, so you can travel farther without worrying about frequent charging stops. That's impressive for a vehicle this size and price. Plus, access to Tesla's supercharger network is a huge plus, making long-distance travel even more convenient and opening up thousands of fast-charging locations across the country. The R2 brings Rivian's adventurous spirit to a broader audience, appealing to families, young professionals, and anyone looking for a versatile EV that's ready for anything, from daily errands to epic road trips. Early demand is massive, pre-orders are already piling up, and excitement is building. If Rivian can deliver on its promises, the R2 could become a breakout hit and redefine what people expect from an electric SUV. It's the right EV at the right time for the brand, arriving as more drivers look for affordable, capable electric vehicles that don't compromise on style or utility. With the R2, Rivian could cement its place as a major EV player, setting a new standard for what an electric SUV